Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to merge two tracks in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you can find the audio recorder, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to merge two tracks. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up any of the instruments you have right here. I'm just going to open up the audio recorder. It doesn't matter, it's all going to open up the same menu. And now it's going to open up this recording menu where at the top of the screen we have the big red circle that's going to enable us to start recording. So what you can do is go ahead and make your recording in your tracks that you want to merge. So as you can see, I have now made my recording, and what you can do after recording is go ahead and find it right here in the upper left corner by clicking this edit menu, which is going to open up this mixing mode right here that you can see. So here are now my two tracks. I have my vocals right here and my different vocals, and now let's say I want to merge them. Basically guys, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on the vocals that you want to merge, or your instrument, doesn't matter, tap on it and then drag it where you want to merge it. So you can only merge it with a type that you already have. So if you're merging vocals, you can only merge it with the audio recorder. If you're merging drums, you can only merge them with drums, and so on guys. So keep that in mind. So you can see just by dragging it up here, now I have merged these two audio recording tracks, and now I can do whatever I want to them. I can combine them, edit them, and so on. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.